Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Check my teeth. Make sure there's no lipstick. There's none. Great. My name is Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're working with colors that I don't like. Mainly shades. I won't say colors because they're really pretty, but they're not colors that I would normally go for. I hate cool tones. Just to put that out there. I do not like cool tones on my complexion. Doesn't mean we can't wear them. But for me, I am a warm girl. I like to stay within the warm spectrum of eyeshadows. I like my golds, my bronze, my reds, my orange, you know, my chocolate browns. I'm not really into the taupees and the gray purples, and yeah, you get the gist. So yeah, this is the look we're doing. Oh, just a small review of the Revolution Patricia Bright palette. It's great. The palette's good. The mattes are amazing. The colors are so opaque. I have no complaints with the palette at all involving the mattes. I use them a lot on my clients, as well as, you know, of course, I've used it a couple of times creating videos, but I love taking this palette with me to use on my clients. The shimmer, I have tried every different routine on how to apply the shimmer eyeshadow, and it's just a no. I don't know what's in it that makes it so sheer and makes it kind of a mushy texture. It's weird, but the color payoff isn't great involving the shimmer eyeshadow. So yeah, I have to always bring a pigment with me when I'm doing my client's makeup, instead of using the shimmer that's in this palette, which is very beautiful to look at, but when I swatch it or when I try to put it on the eyes with my fingers or a brush, it just does not work out, unfortunately. So I think that's the only thing that needs improvement. But other than that, it's a great palette. I love the size, the price. It was only $25. That's amazing, especially for a palette this big. Pull it up because I'm looking at it. So, you know, it has 28 eyeshadows in this bad boy. That's awesome. Like, it has all the colors. I wish I was able to get the other one, but I have so many electric colors. This one is more realistic for me to have, especially for, you know, people whose makeup I do outside of this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Rambling, and I'm sure y'all are ready to watch the video. So enjoy. I hope you really love this look. It's growing on me. I think why I like this look so much is because I feel comfortable pairing a cool eyeshadow with a bomb red lip. I'm more than sure that's why I like this look today. But anyways, I have to go, but it was good talking to you. Alright. Once up here, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm uploading on Tuesday, because I never know when I'm going to hit public instead of private on Tuesday. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching, and chase after your dreams. Bye. Remember the night in Miami, the sun and controls around me. I'm coming in the we could, remember, we could have been, we could have been, we could. Oh my God. Remember the night in Miami. going to put that lightly in the crease in a buffing motion. I just want to lightly buff that shade in the crease. You don't want to go too heavy because it's a very pigmented color. And I'm not applying as much pressure. I'm just lightly buffing so I can give it that feather effect. Alright, now I'm going in with this charcoal brown color, and I'm going halfway into the crease. You just want to lightly place it. And in case you apply too much powder on the brush, just tap it off, don't blow it. You'll put spit on your brush, that's nasty. But just tap, and then it'll take off that extra powder. Perfect. See, it's well blended. I might go in with a little bit of that first color. Just slightly. Give it that gradient effect. I'm going in with the black. And I'm also putting that halfway into the crease, but I'm changing brushes. I'm going in with a 221 MAC brush. Something very skinny and tapered will work. Doesn't have to be necessarily MAC. And I'm just starting the outer corner. So you want to start right there. Then you want to build it halfway to the crease. This will give that, if you don't have deep set eyes already, it's going to give you that illusion of deep set eyes. And I am going in heavy with the black in the outer corner, and then I'm buffing it into the crease, whatever's left on that brush. I'm gonna go in with this taupe color. I'm gonna put that on the eyelid. I'm going in with the 221 brush. Buffing out the edges. Going in a little bit more with that black. concealer up under my eye. So I can, it's like a primer that I'm doing. Now I'm going in with that black eyeshadow and I'm smoking up under my eyes. Then of course I love an inner tear duct color, so I am going in with this peach. Because I still have to have some type of warmth. Just hard-headed. Okay, now I'm going to speed up the process because it's just eyeliner, lashes, and then skin. And that's it. Oh, by the way, before I get started on skin, I am using the Juvias Place foundation, which I really love. It's so good. I don't have to set it with powder because it's really mattifying. So that's a plus, because sometimes I don't want to use powder, especially since the temperature has dropped tremendously out here. So yeah, and it's super full coverage. That's it. That's all I got. Okay.
Only hit me up when you're not home, and that's why I can't get tired of